How to stay compliant in your cannabis business without losing your sanity, part 1. Hey, I'm Bree. I'm a cannabis compliance consultant that builds and scales stronger compliance teams. Recently, the cannabis law firm Harris Bricken released a blog stating that cannabis businesses are seeing an increase in inspections from the DCC. In this 6-part series, I'm going to unpack all of the different ways that you can stay compliant and start implementing these strategies today. One of the major pain points was metric. But before we dive into the metric actions, let's take a look at the record retention that you must maintain with metric records. So not only maintaining the records virtually within the system is a must, but also majority of the time you need to keep physical records as well. So what are those records? Well, here's a list. We got inventory reconciles, we got waste and adjustments, 2 separate logs. We also have our manifest, any adverse event, product recall, what is that communication plan, and we also have our financials for business to business and business to consumers. All of these are different types of reports that you should have within your cannabis business right now. Make sure to follow along for more tips.